Here in this question we are given a rod. There is a rod OA. This point is O, this is A. This is rod OA that rotates with angular velocity omega. Initially the angular velocity is omega and it is joined like this at point B. There is another joint and the length of this OA rod is given. Let me write here. OA is B and OB is 2.3 times of B. 2.3 times of B. And initially this angle comes out to be theta when this angular velocity is omega. Now the question asks that we need to find the angular velocity when theta is 19 degree. So let's solve this question. Let me take this angle to be beta and this angle to be gamma. Now using angle sum property in a triangle, we know theta plus beta plus gamma is equals to 180 degree. And now if we differentiate this with respect to time, then theta plus beta plus gamma divided by dt equals to d 180 degree by dt, and this one is equals to 0, right? So we have theta dot plus beta dot plus gamma dot equals to 0. This is our equation first. Now let us proceed forward. In again this triangle OAB, we have what we have to use Lami's theorem. Okay, so using the Lami's theorem, or you may say the sine rule, we have sine theta divided by b equals to sine gamma divided by 2.3b. Okay, now from here we will get sine gamma equals to 2.3b, sorry, not b, b will be cancelled here. It comes out to be sine theta. Now looking at the diagram, gamma is 180 minus sine inverse 0.7488. So we have 131.512 degrees for this gamma. So again differentiate this equation also. So if we differentiate this equation, what we will have? Gamma dot equals to 2.3 cos theta theta dot, as sine theta's differentiation is cos theta, divided by cos gamma. Okay, here will be sine gamma is cos gamma dot gamma, and we will take cos gamma here. Now put this value here, and we know that beta dot is nothing but this omega, and theta dot is the omega that we need to find out. So let me call it omega dash. From equation 1 we have omega dash plus omega plus 2 theta dot cos theta divided by cos gamma equals to 0. Now substitute all the values that we know. We know that omega is given in the question. Let me write this data here. Omega is 2.1 meter, sorry, radian per second. Theta is 19 degree, already told you. And we have find this gamma here, 131.512 degrees. Okay, and let us put here, and theta dot is omega dash. Okay, so omega dash we will take it common, 1 plus 2 cos theta by cos omega equals to minus omega. Put all the values, you will get omega dash equals to minus 2.1 divided by 1 plus 2 cos 19 degree divided by cos 131.512 degree. And now solve this and you will get your final answer, omega dash, that is equals to 0.9205 radian per second. Now again in this question, as this rod rotates counterclockwise, so the omega must be, this omega must be negative, and this is your final answer.